our first webinar of the Indo-US Battery P2X Alliance, and today's core topic is on electrolyzer technologies. So this alliance is between Danish companies, universities, and research organizations, as well as their Indian counterparts. We have focused on batteries and P2X, mainly focusing on the sustainable energy technology development area. This alliance is supported by the Global Innovation Network Program from Danish Agency for Higher Education and Science. Within this alliance, spanning 2025 and 26 and possibly early 2027, we will conduct a number of webinars, have 4 conferences, 2 in India and 2 in Denmark, have some scientist exchange between the universities primarily, and delegation visits between industries. The core initiative is from the energy departments at DTU and IIT Bombay. And we also have other core partners, Aarhus University, Stistel, Danish Graphene, Danish Technological Institute, and in India side, IIT Bombay, of course, then ISCS Kolkata, Godi Energy, and Epsilon Advanced Material. We are in communication with many other companies and universities who will join some of the events that we will organize, both in person and online. The website has been set up as a DTU website. You can open that. It's in preliminary stages of development. And Oliver, who invited all of you for today's webinar, have set up a LinkedIn account. It's very preliminary. It will take some time to set up. We will have another battery webinar in late summer. And from 1 to 3 September at DTU, we will have an in-person conference covering both low and high TRL activities, computational and experimental and manufacturing part of electrolyzers and batteries, etc. For today's webinar, we will have 7 short talks followed by a panel discussion with everyone. After the talk, we can only allow a very short 1 or 2 questions, and we have to keep rest of the discussion for the panel discussion. I will introduce shortly the speakers today. Today's event is hosted by me, Arghya, Associate Professor DTU Energy, focused on computation, and Professor Sagar Mitra from IIT Bombay, who focuses on experimental battery science. We will start the day with Dr. Christian Kaleso from Danish Technological Institute. He is the Director of Center of Functional Material and have long experience in materials and energy technologies. He leads activities in green transition, power-to-X, fuel cell, and electrolysis. We'll also have Professor Dayadeep Mandar from IIT Bombay. He is focused on multi-scale modeling of coupled chemical physical processes in energy devices. We will also have Dr. Harish Lakhotia from Stistel. He is a senior engineer of electrolyzer design at Stistel, and he has a long experience in electrode technology within alkaline electrolysis technology. We will have Dr. Christos Christodoulou. Christos is a senior researcher in my home department at DTU. He focuses on material characterization, design, fabrication, and testing of electrodes and electrochemical cells. He primarily works in solid oxide electrolysis cells, high temperature and pressurized alkaline electrolysis cells, and electrocatalytic reactors. He has been leading a large number of European and Danish projects in this area. We also have Assistant Professor Aras Nemati from our department, who is primarily a computational scientist and have been doing high TRL projects for some time. We will have Mr. Santosh Gurunath who is the CEO and co-founder of H2 Carbon Zero and Umajin. He have long experience in industrial sectors within oil and gas, solar, EV, and hydrogen. In Umajin, he provides advisory services across strategy, policy, technology, engineering, execution, and O&M. Within H2 Carbon Zero, he have been commercializing hydrogen fuel cells for stationary power and have been doing in-house technology development with deployment in hydrogen-based microgrid projects in India. We have Mr. Arnab Sinha from SEME. He is the Executive Vice President and Business Head for commercial functions within green hydrogen and ammonia. He is responsible for planning, strategy, and asset growth, green certification in green hydrogen and green ammonia sector within the group. He have 23 years of leadership experience spanning India, Middle East, EU, and USA across different business functions. I would like to stop here now and request Dr. Christian Calesso to start today's webinar.